Session 28. Solving one-step equations. Imagine x plus 7 equals 19 as a balanced scale. The unknown box and 7 on one side have exactly the same value as 19 on the other. To uncover x, undo the plus 7 by subtracting 7 from both sides. The balance stays level, and x equals 12. By the end, you'll solve one-step equations involving all four operations, keep both sides balanced, and check every answer by substitution. An equation says two expressions are equal. A variable represents the unknown value we need to find. A one-step equation needs one inverse operation to isolate the variable. Subtraction undoes addition, addition undoes subtraction, division undoes multiplication, and multiplication undoes division. One-step equations appear whenever a known result hides one missing amount. If an item plus a 7 dirham delivery charge costs 19 dirhams altogether, an equation finds the item's price. If 5 identical tickets cost 40 dirhams, 5t equals 40 finds the price of one ticket. If a journey is split into equal sections, a division equation can recover the total distance. The balance principle is the heart of equation solving. Whatever operation you perform on one side, perform on the other side as well. That rule replaces guessing with a method that works reliably, even when the numbers become less friendly. And substitution gives a fast check. Put your answer back into the original equation. Both sides must have the same value. Solve x plus 9 equals 23. The variable has 9 added to it. Use the inverse operation. Subtract 9 from both sides. On the left, plus 9 and minus 9 cancel. That leaves x equals 14. Check. 14 plus 9 equals 23, so the solution is correct. Now solve x minus 6 equals 11. This time, 6 is being subtracted from x. Undo subtract 6 by adding 6 to both sides. The left side simplifies to x. 11 plus 6 is 17, so x equals 17. Checking gives 17 minus 6 equals 11. Solve 5x equals 35. 5x means 5 multiplied by x. Undo multiplication by 5 by dividing both sides by 5. 5x divided by 5 leaves 1x. 35 divided by 5 is 7, so x equals 7. Check. 5 times 7 is 35. Complete example. Solve x divided by 4 equals 6, then verify the answer. The variable is divided by 4, so use the inverse operation and multiply both sides by 4. On the left, dividing by 4 and multiplying by 4 cancel. On the right, 6 times 4 is 24, so x equals 24. Substitute 24 into the original equation. 24 divided by 4 equals 6. The equation balances, so the answer is correct. Don't change only one side. An equation stays equivalent only when the same operation is performed on both sides. Choose the operation that undoes what is attached to x. For x minus 5, add 5. Don't subtract another 5. And read coefficients carefully. 4x means 4 times x, so isolate x by dividing the whole of each side by 4. Practice question 1. Solve x plus 8 equals 21. Option A is 29. Option B is 13. Option C is 168. Option D is 12. Pause and use the inverse of adding 8. Option B is correct. X equals 13. Subtract 8 from both sides. 21 minus 8 is 13, and checking gives 13 plus 8 equals 21. Practice question 2. Solve 6x equals 42. Option A is 36. Option B is 48. Option C is 6. Option D is 7. Pause and undo multiplication by 6. Option D is correct. X equals 7. Divide both sides by 6. 42 divided by 6 is 7, and 6 times 7 checks back to 42. Practice question 3. Solve x divided by 5 equals negative 3. Option A is negative 15. Option B is negative 8. Option C is positive 15. Option D is negative zero point 0.6. Pause and multiply both sides by 5. Keep track of the negative sign. Option A is correct. X equals negative 15. Multiplying both sides by 5 gives x equals negative 15. Check. Negative 15 divided by 5 is negative 3. Let's wrap up. Keep an equation balanced by performing the same operation on both sides. Use the inverse operation to isolate x, subtract, add, divide, or multiply. Then substitute your answer into the original equation. If both sides match, your solution checks out. Keep going with Year 7 Maths at bridge2exam.com.